Getting a pink headband.
Say thank you. Thank you to Nanay. Hi, Maria. Phoebe. Say thank you to Nanay.
What about Tita? What about Tita?
For you, even though I am very far away, you are still in my heart, in my mind, and I will be missing all of you, my dear kids. I love you so much. From my heart, I love you so very, very much, my dear kids. Thank you so much. Yana, Gavin, yes. Sino pa yung may mga nag-represent? Sino pa? Si Kurtisiana, ang pangalan naman. Si Shashi, si Liz. Lahat kayo. Si Margolso. All of you. Tell all your names.
Okay.
Liz, Baby, Rex, Ben,
Liza.
and then itong bata na sweet sa akin, at saka ito, Yula, Kim, Maxine, Margot, yes, Wendy, Talia, David, sino pa? And then the new, let's welcome the new one. Sino yung mag-ilan ako? Yeah, Akio. May bago kayong
Mimi. Ang cute.
Yeah. Let's welcome them, okay? They are going to attend your primary class. So, Ayana will tell you, Ayana, continue, and David, continue your skill, babies.